This is the biggest chihuahua you'll see in your lifetime.
Stop it.
Hello and welcome to vlog number three.
Don't need ribbons and bows to cure my woes. No, I just need your love. Expensive rings or diamond things. No, I just need your love.
We are here with Lex. Don't kick her.
I'm not.
Look at our precious little chihuahua, as you probably saw in the intro. Don't slap her either.
Stop it.
We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do tonight. Don't. She's literally gonna bite you, Lexi.
She's ridiculous.
She's ridiculous. We're trying to think of stuff to do tonight. So yeah, we're gonna figure that out, but we'll talk about that later. But welcome. Please, I will buy you something. Lame. I am kidnapping her and literally dragging her into the car, so that's just what I'm videoing right now. Okay? Becoming a vlogger, in case you didn't know that. Like, I'm gonna be world famous soon.
Yeah, does anyone watch you that's not someone you know? Does anyone watch you that's not someone you know?
Oh, roasted. God, Lexi. I think I have like 2 whole viewers that I don't know. So, love you guys.
That's
My
amazing.
number 1 supporters. Shut it up, Lexi. You know what? People are gonna unsubscribe because you're in the video. So that's gonna be even worse.
Oh yeah, great.
She's so mean. Look at Bella. We just got some Dunkin' Donuts, and I'm gonna turn off the camera before my self-confidence disappears completely. It's already shrinking at a...
You're so weird, Megan. I think you're gonna do great.
Avery is just my hype man, and
You're
Lexi
terrible.
is like, okay. She just thinks I'm weird and bound to no good, ever. Lexi, you know what? Horses don't like you. Okay?
No,
they don't
Jay
like
Haas
you.
loves me.
No, horses,
Yes,
they were
no.
talking and they all told me that they think you're really
you want me
annoying.
to say
Oh my god, Lexi! No, it's just... Ew! She's so... Ew! Ew! Lexi, stop. She's actually gonna hurt you. Don't anymore. Leave her alone. So, let's figure it out. We're now going to Target, and we're gonna go get our nails done, and then we're gonna go get Panda Express, or we're gonna get Panda Express and go get our nails done.
pretend I'm blind?
So we're at Target, and we're taking the rat inside, so hopefully this works. Successful trip with the Chihuahua.
Oh, this one looks a bit
These
better.
doggy overalls. that would be so cute. It'd be kind of sad though, because wouldn't it go? Oh, so it would go up on her like that.
Mm-hmm.
That would be so cute.
This is
Getting some pad thai.
she sees that.
Oh. Oh. Look how beautiful the sun is. The sunset's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Also, I just got a microphone. So, this is about to get so real. Wow. Stop. I don't think this microphone does anything. I got real life vlogging YouTube things. Oh my gosh, it looks like I have a vlogging camera, but it's still my phone. Look, I look like a real life YouTuber right now. I mean, other than the fact that I don't look like a YouTuber in the looking department, but we're gonna go get our nails done though, because look at these. I don't even want to look at them, but I'm gonna do some green sparkles probably, so yes. But I'm gonna go get the girls, and I really should change because this sweater is so hot right now, but let's go. Doesn't it look like I'm like a real life YouTuber?
Huh?
Doesn't it look like I'm a real YouTuber? Like the lighting does not look really good.
Yeah, sure. No, I'm not doing that.
We're now going to get our nails done. Ooh!
Like, get out of the car.
We got the nails did. Ooh, so good. I got like greenish for Christmas. Avery, you have the keys. See? They're so pretty. I really love them. They're the same color as my sweater, but I love this color.
Update.
There you go.
We're at Chick-fil-A.
We got our stuff. I got the peppermint milkshake, and it's so good from Chick-fil-A. She got it too. Is it good? Rating out of 10.
Like 9.7.
Exactly. Lexi got a loser cone. What a loser. Bye. Okay, so now we're gonna wash. I have to wash my face, but we're gonna put on some face masks. You're gonna look so beautiful. Oh my god. Clip. Okay, eyebrows. What are the odds?
No, I'm
Please.
No.
Say, give him a kiss.
No.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes.
It's
and
currently 12
silver
o'clock. I
lanes
think
that
we're
glow.
just going to go to sleep. So,
It's
see you
beginning to
tomorrow.
look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door.
Good morning. I'm wearing this sweater again. I'm just wearing it because I'm going to pick up Matthew from a friend's house. But I'm basically going to be studying for finals literally all day today. So it's going to be a really boring day, but I might as well just vlog. I'm probably going to go get some coffee after I get Matthew. But that's the plan, so let's go! Why do you look guilty, Bella? Did you do something? Bella, look at me. Bella, what did you do? Let's look. What did you do? Were you playing with the trash? Bella, you know better. You know better. She knows she's in trouble. Oh my gosh. You know, don't you? Yeah, you know. You're a little rat. Oh my gosh. So it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. My face is awful right now. I'm breaking out so bad. And I haven't even really done anything today besides study for my art history final, which really did not need that much time to study for. But I'm so tired and not feeling productive, and it's really bad. So I think I'm just gonna take a bath. There's no reason for me to do that. I should really be studying, but I just really want to take a bath so bad. Like, look at this. This is all I want to do right now. I don't know why school is a thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna forget my schoolwork for like a little bit. I know I'm probably gonna stay up late and study and wake up early and study, so I'll be fine, you know? Megan in the future might hate me, but Megan right now will love me, so that's what matters. So yeah, I also need to clean the kitchen and living room and stuff first, so I'm gonna do that and then do the bath. And I got a bath bomb, so that's definitely why I'm doing this. Also, the name of it's really weird, but I'm not gonna cover that. And it's just a lavender bath bomb, and that's probably gonna be so good. So I'm just gonna do that.
Barney and Ben, dolls that'll talk and we'll go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
I'm an idiot. I had the bath going for like 5 minutes and I came back and it was weird. It was not full at all and I forgot to close the drain. Ugh!
There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that'll make them ring is the carol that you sing right within